Hello everyone, this is Amber Sargent, and here are my addition and subtraction math centers for the unit that I chose. The first activity is sticker count, and here is an example of it. Sticker count, the content area is math, the topic is addition, grade kindergarten, length of time 30 minutes, and the standard that it represents addition and subtraction with objects, fingers, mental images, drawings, sounds, etc. Acting out situations, verbal expressions, and also equations. So a description of this activity. So students will use stickers as counters so that they are actually able to see what it is that they're adding. So they'll have one color that represents the first number that is being used, and the second color will represent the second number that they are adding, and they'll be able to visibly see the difference, and then they're able to count the stickers and come up with their total. This will take place at the end of the chapter or the unit so that extra practice can be done. And the assessment would be a test, and here is the test to the right. Activity 2 is adding the dots, and here is an example of it. Content area is math, topic addition, grade kindergarten, length of time 30 minutes. It also represents addition and subtraction with objects, fingers, mental images, drawing, sounds, acting out situations, verbal explanations, expressions, or equations. So students will use actual dominoes for this project to be able to help them add, and they will also be provided the worksheet that you saw at the beginning, which was an example, and they will actually fill in the dots as they see them on the dominoes in the spaces that are provided. So the top number that they see, they're going to draw the same dots just as they see it on the domino, and then when you move over to the right where the circles are, they will actually write the numeric form of the dots, and then they will be able to count all of the dots and come up with their answer and add them. This will take place at the beginning of the unit, so I have a better understanding as to how well they are doing with addition. And here is the exit ticket worksheet. Activity 3 is Play-Doh Smash, and here is an example of it. Content area math, topic subtraction, grade kindergarten, length of time 30 minutes. It also represents addition and subtraction with objects, fingers, mental images, drawings, sounds, acting out situations, verbal explanations, expressions, or equations. It also allows them to decompose numbers less than or equal to 10 into pairs in more than one way. And the description of this activity is that they will be given an equation on little flashcards that I will have made, and they will make little Play-Doh balls to represent the first number, which in this case, since they're just starting out, will always be the bigger number. So they're going to make little balls that represent the first number, and once they have completed making the balls, they're then going to smash the number of balls according to what the second number is. So let's just say I have 8 minus 10. They're going to make 8 balls, and then they're going to smash 2, and then they will be able to count the ones that are not smashed in order to come up with their correct answer. This will be done at the beginning of the unit as well so that I'm able to see what they know. And here is their exit ticket. And the last activity that we have is called Whack-A-Ball. And here is an example. Content area, math, topic, subtraction, grade kindergarten, length of time, 30 minutes, represents addition and subtraction with objects, fingers, mental images, drawings, sounds, acting out situations, verbal explanations, expressions, or equations. They also will be able to decompose numbers less than or equal to 10 into pairs in more than one way. A description of this activity is similar to the Play-Doh Smash. So they will be given a flashcard with different subtraction problems on them. And depending on the first number, which would be the bigger number, that is how many balls they will place into each hole. And then the second number will represent the balls that they are going to whack, and the balls will disappear into the box below. So if I have 5 minus 2, they're going to place 5 balls in each hole, and then they're going to whack 2, and then they'll be able to count the balls that are left to get their total. This will take place at the end of the unit so that extra practice can be had, and here is the exit ticket for this as well. And that is my project. Thank you.